Good morning. Welcome in RNQ NIS classes, chapter number 16, Science and Scientific of Medieval India. You have read about science and scientists in India during the ancient period. During the medieval period, science and technology in India developed two facts. One concerned with the already charted course of earlier traditionals and other with the new influences which came up a result of Islamic and European impact. We will read in some details about these developments in this lesson. Objective. After reading this lesson, you will be able to discuss the educational practices that emerged during the medieval period, trace the developments in science and technology in medieval India, and list some well-known scholars in the field of science and technology and their works during this period. Science in medieval period. As you know, the medieval period marks the coming of Muslim in India. By this time, the traditional engines classic learning had already received setback. The pattern of education as prevalent in Arab countries was gradually adopted during this period. As a result, maktabs and madras came into existence. These institutions used to receive royal patronage. A chain of madras opened at several places, followed set uh, curriculum. Curriculum. The two brothers, Sikh Abdullah and Sheikh Ajullah, who were specialists in rational science, headed the madras at Sambal and Agra. Apart from the talent available locally in the country, learned men from Arabia, Persia, and Central Asia were also invited to take charge of education in Madras. Do you know the Muslim rulers attempted to reform the curriculum of primary schools? Some important subjects like arithmetic, mensuration, geometry, astronomy, accounting, public administration, and agriculture were included in the course of study of the primary education. Through special efforts were made by ruler to carry out reform in education, yet science didn't make much headway. Efforts were made to seek a kind of synthesis between the Indian tradition, scientific culture, and the prevalent medieval approach to science in other countries. Let us now see what developments took place in various fields during this period. Large workshops called uh, karkhanas were maintained to supply provisions, store and equipment to royal household and government departments. The karkhanas not only worked as manufacturing agency but also served as center for technical and vocational training to young people. The karkhana trained and turned out artisan and craft person in different branches who later on set up their own independent karkhanas. Mathematics. Several work in the field of mathematics were produced during this period. Narayana Pandit, son of Narsimha Devajna, was well known as work in mathematics, Ganit, Ganita Kunmukhi, and Bij Ganit Bashtama Gangadhara in Gujarat wrote Leelavati, Karamdeepika, uh, Sindhudanta Pikta, and Leelavati Vakyam. These were famous studies which gave rules for trigonometrical terms like sine, cosine, tangent, and cotangent. Leelakantha Somvastam produced Tanshamgara, which also contains rules of trigonometrical functions. Ganesha Divya produced Buddhi Vaishani, a commentary on Leelavati containing a number of illustrations. Krishna of the Vallaha family brought out Navkura on the Bijaganit of Bhaskara. Second, elaboration of the rules of indeterminate equation of the first and second order. Leela Kantha Jyotivinda compiled Tajik, introducing a large number of Persian technical terms. Faji, at the behest of Akbar, translated Bhaskara. Bijaganit, Akbar ordered to make mathematics as a subject of study among others in education system. Naziruddin at Tusi was another scholar of mathematics, biology. Similarly, there were advance, advancement in the field of biology. Ham, Hamshada Deva compiled a work of the field of biology in entitled Marga Pakshi Sastra in 13th century. This gives a general, though not always scientific, account of some animals and birds of hunting. The Muslim kings who were warriors and hunters maintained a fleet of animals such as horses, dogs, uh, cheetahs, and falcons for hunting. Animals, both domesticated as well as wild, have been described both Babar and Akbar, in spite of being busy in their political precautions and war, found time to time study work. Akbar had special interest in producing good breeds of domestic animals like elephant and horse. Jahangir in work Tajuddin Jahangiri recorded his observation and experiments on breeding and hybridization. He described about 36 species of animals. His court artist, especially Mansoor, produced elegant and accurate portrait of animals. Some of these are still prescribed in several museum and private collections. As a naturalist, Jahangir was also interested in study of plants. His court artists have drawn about 57 plants in their port, mm, flora portrait protunier chemistry. Do you know that in the medieval period use of paper had begun? An important application of chemistry was in production of paper. Kashmir, Silakot, Jafrabad, Patna, uh, Murshidabad, Ahmedabad, Aurangabad, and Mashur become well known as center of paper production. The paper making of technique was more or less the same throughout the country, differing only in preparation of pulp from different raw material. The Mughals knew the technique of production of gunpowder and its use in gunnery. Another application of chemistry of the Indian craft person learned and technique involve a situable explosion composition. The work Sukranti attributed to Shukrakari contains a description of how gunpowder can be prepared using salt, pepper, sulfur, and charcoal in different ratios for use in different type of guns. The principal type of fireworks include those which propel through air, produce spark of fire, blaze with various colors, and with explosion. The work Il Iqbari speaks of the regulation of perfume office of Akbar. The Attar perfume of roses was a popular perfume which is supposed to have been discovered by Nirjahan. Astronomy was another field that flourished during this period. In astronomy, a number of commentaries dealing with the already established astronomy notions appeared. Mahendra Shuri, a court astronomer of an empire, Firoz Shah developed an astronomical instrument, Yantraja, Parameshwara, and Mahabhaskarya, both in Kerala, were famous families of astronomers and almanac makers. Nilakantha Samosvatam produced a commentary of Aryabhatiya. Kamalkar studied the Islamic astronomical idea. He was an authority on Islamic knowledge. Maharaj Swami Jai Singh II of Jaipur was a patron of astronomy. He set up 5 astronomical observations in Delhi, Ujjain, Varanasi, Mathura, and Jaipur. Medicine. The Ayurvedic system of medicine did not progress as as vigorously as did in ancient period because of lack of royal patronage. However, some important treatises on Ayurveda like the Saraganthra Samhita and Chikitshangam Gaha by Vangeshna, the Yag Bhaskara, and the uh, Bhava Prakasha of Bhav Mishra were complied. The uh, Sharangdhara Samhita, written in 13th century, include use of opium in its material medicine and urine examination for diagnostic purpose. The drugs maintained include metallic preparation of the uh, Rakshahita system and even imported drugs. The rich chikitsa system dealt principally with a host of minerals, medicines, both mercurial and non-mercurial. The Sindhu system, most prevalent in Tamil Nadu, was attributed to the reputed Siddhas, who were supposed to have evolved many life prolonging composition rich in minerals medicines. The Unani Tib system of medicine flourished in India during the medieval period. Ali bin Rabban summarized the whole system of Greek medicine as well as the Indian medical knowledge in the book Firadushahi Hikmat. The Unani medicine system came to India along with the Muslims by about the 11th century and soon found a patronage for its growth. Hakim Dia Muhammad compiled a book, Majnin-e-Diyai, incorporating the Arabic, Persian, and Ayurvedic medical knowledge. Firoz Shah Tughlaq wrote a book, Tibbi Firozi Shahi, the Tibbi Aurangzebi, dedicated to Aurangzeb, is based on Ayurvedic source. The Mushal Jati Darkshoti of Nuruddin Muhammad, dedicated to Darakshi, to deals with Greek medicine and contain at the end almost the whole of Ayurvedic material media. Agriculture. In the medieval period, the pattern of agricultural practices was more or less than same as that early India. Some important changes occurred in the introduction of new crops, trees, as well as horticulture plants by foreign traders. The principal crops were wheat, rice, barley, mm, millets, pulses, oilseeds, cotton, sugarcane, and indigo. The Western Ghats continue to yield back paper of good quality, and Kashmir maintain its tradition of saffron and fruits. Zinger and cinnamon from Tamil Nadu, cardamom, sandalwood, and coconut from Kerala were becoming increasingly popular. Tambaku, uh, chilies, potatoes, uh, guava, custard apple, cashew, and pineapple were the important plant which were introduced to India during the 16th and 17th century. It was during the period the production of opium from poppy plants began in Malwa and Bihar region. Improved hort- horticulture methods were adopted with great success. The systematic uh, mango grafting was introduced by the uh, Zetus of Goa in middle of 16th century. A imperial Mughal garden was situated area where extensive cultivation of fruits trees came up. For irrigation, wells, tanks, canals, rahat, charas, and dhanki charas, a sort of bucket made of leather used to lift water with the help of yoked ocean, were used. Persian wheel was used in Agra region. In the medieval period, agriculture was played on solid foundation of the state, introducing a system of land measurement and land classification beneficial both the rulers as well as tillers. There was a considerable change in education system. The Arabic system was introduction in big way. Madras and Maktab were established all over. The rulers tried to introduce reforms. Several works, uh, pillars, uh, what you have learned. Several works were written in the field of mathematics, chemistry, biology, astronomy, and medicine. Most of the scientific work in this period was commentaries or exposition of the earlier treatises. Several important scientific work in astronomy, medicine, and other science were rendered from Sanskrit to Persian Arabic and from Persian Arabic to Sanskrit.